Maybe no one's asked you for your spit before. Might seem weird, but we're hoping that with your help, Spark might discover something new.
It's true.
Well, maybe you remember this study invitation, looking to provide valuable information to teach us more about what makes you, you. And from that we can better know how to help your kiddo thrive and grow. So thank you all so much for getting your Spark Study Kit. And thank you all a bunch for taking such good care of it. We can't wait to do some science, but here's the crucial bit. We can't break out the lab coats until you send us your spit. Sending by the US Post is sufficient, or carry your pigeon if you're feeling less efficient. Better late than never, like they say. Soccer practice, laundry, your cousin's birthday, oil and spaghetti, plant and trees for Earth Day. We know all kinds of stuff gets in the way, but take a tiny bit of your day to share your precious DNA.
One more time now, all you geneticists in the back, let me hear you sing.
Thank you all so much for getting your Spark Study Kit. And thank you all a bunch for taking such good care of it. Bet you never thought saliva held societal benefits. So we wrote this song to kindly ask you, please send us your spit. Spit in the kit. Spit in the kit. Oh, please, 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 please send us your spit.